You sometimes shoot and discover the output of your flash is contrary to your settings. That is called light misfiring. In this video, I'm going to talk about why your light misfires and then how to fix it. Hi, my name is Abuze. If you find value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, as it makes a huge difference in supporting the channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Not just for anyone starting photography, light misfiring can happen to anyone while shooting. I also face a lot of issues when it comes to lighting because of some of the things I was doing wrong, I must say. Well, the truth is, not just settings from your trigger or your light source, and it doesn't limit to how you place your light on your model that will guarantee you perfect image, because sometimes you may have perfect settings but still experience bad light on your model because of light misfiring, I must say. Well, there are a lot of reasons that can cause your light to misfire, but the first thing that I always put forward is using incompatible batteries. If you are a Godox user like me, you should know that Godox triggers are designed to use alkaline batteries, so it is not proper to use rechargeable batteries, as they can cause your light to misfire. And the battery indicator of the Godox triggers are designed for alkaline batteries. You may sometimes notice fluctuations on the battery indicator of your trigger when using rechargeable batteries. For example, it might show you 1 bar, but within some minutes of work it can change to 2 bars. I don't have much knowledge about batteries, but I can see that the voltage your trigger is receiving from your rechargeable batteries may be fluctuating as well, and that can definitely cause your light to misfire. So try using 1.5 disposal alkaline batteries, because they have been working perfectly for me. Now that you know what batteries to use, you should also understand that using low battery as well can make your light to misfire. There is unreliable function with half empty batteries. If your flash trigger is low, if your trigger battery is low, replace the batteries. Using low batteries isn't enough to provide consistent signal. So personally, I replace my batteries at 1 bar to avoid risky moments while shooting. So always avoid shooting with extreme low batteries. Aside incompatible and low batteries, signal interference can make your light to misfire. Using too many wireless gadgets at the same time within close proximity to each other can cause light misfiring. It can be the presence of other radio signals using the same band, like Wi-Fi or hotspot. To keep other radio signals from popping your lights, try using like channel 15 to 25. That usually resolve the issue. I have tried that and it worked for me. Another reason for your light to misfire is loose hot shoe of your camera. There are few screws that hold the flat shoe of your camera, and the hot shoe can become loose after much use with flash. This can cause your flash unit to sometimes not fire or even fire on its own. Always make sure your trigger or flash is tight connected to your camera, but if the hot shoe is broken, this can be replaced. If you are using 8200 regularly, you'll be experiencing light misfiring in situations where you shouldn't, most especially shooting if something stood in between you and the 8200. For example, if you put the 8200 behind bride and groom, then the signal sometimes can be blocked even if the distance is not that far. Sometimes the flash or trigger can adjust the light power itself, or sometimes even if you increase or decrease the light power, it will reflect on the light. So basically, these are the few reasons that I feel or I know can make your light to misfire. But if you know something that I failed to mention in this video, please share with us in the comment section below. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.